So today I'm going to be looking at the USD index, then at gold, then lastly the Euro USD. So on the USD index, as you can see, price is currently in a bearish market, which was started by this change of character that was created, followed by this breakout structure. Then recently, last week on the NFP release, price went on to create another breakout structure, which validated this point here as a valid lower high. And when price created this breakout structure, it left behind an inducement, and right above that inducement we do have a supply zone. So my anticipation on the USD index is that price is going to go bullish to mitigate this inducement, then mitigate the supply zone, and then maybe continue bearish. But another scenario is that price just continue bearish from the current market price and create this inducement, moving this inducement to this area is another possibility. But I just like to look at one possibility for the week because I'll confuse myself if I have too many anticipations. So for this week, I'm expecting a bullish move on the USD index to mitigate the inducement supply zone, then gone bearish. Then on the gold chart, as you can see, price is currently in a bullish market and gold is currently near the all-time high. So what happened last week is this was the last breakout structure created. Then price went on to create another inducement here. So on the inducement mitigation, price created a new valid higher high, which is right here. And after this valid high, as you can see, price went on to break it, creating another breakout structure. So when this breakout structure was created, it validated the lowest point, which happened on Thursday here, as a valid lower high. So this is the current dealing range we have from this lower high to this current market price, right? This current lower high is our swing low right here, and then price created a inducement right here. So this is the last inducement we have that price created, right? This is the last inducement price created, and below that inducement we can see that price did not create any valid point of interest or any valid order blocks, order flow. Everything is mitigated, as you can see. So what I'll do in this case is draw the Fibonacci level, and I'll be targeting the 80% level or the 78% level at the entry point, with the stop loss right below the swing low and the target on the highest point that price reached, right? So if there's no any point of interest, this is what I do. But since this the 1 hour time frame is just for directional bias for entries, I'll be going to the 5 minutes time frame. But for this analysis, I'm just going to show you the directional bias on 1 hour time frame. Then for the 5 minutes entry setups, I'll be sending them in my Discord channel, sometimes in Telegram channel, as price is being delivered during the week. So my anticipation for gold is that price will go bearish to mitigate this, and then maybe from the lower time frame there are some points of interest here, and then price continue bullish. So on the USD index, as you can see, I'm anticipating a bullish move, then a bearish move. So all the pairs that are trading against the dollar will be doing the opposite of what the USD index is doing. So if I'm anticipating a bullish and a bearish move on gold, I'm anticipating a bullish move and a bearish move. Then now going to the Euro USD, as you can see, price already mitigated the previous order flow, which was not mitigated, which is also inside a dealing range from this swing high to this swing low, and price is already in a premium level, meaning it's wise to be looking for shorts. And price recently mitigated this order flow on Friday during the NFP news release. So my anticipation on this move is a bearish continuation to this level. But since on the USD index, as you can see, I'm anticipating a bullish move, then a bearish move. On the Euro USD, we do have a point of interest, which is an unmitigated order block, but I'll just name this a decisional order block. So what may happen is that price will go down to this decisional order block, then go up. Since on the US index, I'm anticipating a bullish move, then a bearish move. So on Euro USD, you might see a bearish move, then a bullish move. So this is what I'll be looking at for directional bias. As for the entry bias and entry setups, I'll be sending them in my Discord channel throughout the week and on my Telegram channel. So yeah, this is it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it valuable. I'll see you again on the next video.